For many Americans, their homes are their most valuable asset, and routine upkeep can help protect that investment. Protecting it from things like theft and fire makes sense. That's why you have insurance. But what about planning for the inevitable system and appliance breakdowns due to everyday use? Designing Spaces caught up with Matt Blashaw to learn more about American Home Shield.
As homeowners, we have lots of items that we use every day, so it's inevitable that something is going to break down along the way. I often recommend to my clients that they consider a home service plan. It can help relieve the stress and anxiety of unexpected breakdowns.
A home service plan is not the same as homeowners insurance. In fact, you are 28 times more likely to use your home service plan than your homeowner's insurance. An American Home Shield home service plan can help protect your budget from expensive home breakdowns and offers you access to a nationwide network of contractors, so you don't have to search for one yourself.
American Home Shield is a home service plan provider that helps cover the costs when parts of your home systems and appliances wear out, like your air conditioner, dishwasher, or plumbing. With 2 million members, American Home Shield is the most preferred home service plan in the nation. They have a nationwide network of contractors to serve their 2 million members, and they've been helping take the stress and hassle out of homeownership for 50 years. The good news is American Home Shield covers the parts of more than 20 home appliances and systems, including heating and air conditioning units, laundry and kitchen appliances, electrical and plumbing systems. And if they can't repair your covered item, they'll replace it. They also offer additional coverage for roof leak repairs, electronics, in-ground pools, and hot tubs. American Home Shield knows that every home and homeowner's needs are different, which is why they offer plans featuring flexible options and pricing to perfectly fit your needs and budget.
American Home Shield has coverage to help protect the parts of up to 23 home systems and appliances from normal wear and tear. They cover these items regardless of age, and no maintenance records or inspections are required. Homeowner Tara is a mom with an older home. She decided to find a home service plan that was just right for her.
So how long have you been a member of American Home Shield?
I've been a member for over 14 years.
How long have you been in the house?
Almost 20.
20, okay. So why is it important to have a home service plan?
The last thing you want to worry about is something breaking down in your home. So when it does, you don't have to worry, and they will take care of it. They'll send out a qualified professional, and it will be repaired, and you're on your way, and it's back up and running again.
A home service plan is a proactive way to stay ahead of breakdowns in the home and invest in protection against costly, unplanned repairs.
So what's your biggest takeaway about being a member of American Home Shield?
My biggest takeaway is having that peace of mind and that budget affordability that you know those big ticket items will not come out of your pocket if they don't have to. And having that on a daily basis as a homeowner is huge.
Something breaks down in your house. So give me that process with American Home Shield from start to finish. What does it look like?
Super easy. Pick up the phone and make a phone call, or go online and make the claim. They send out a qualified professional to your home who will take care of the issue. They'll repair it, and it's happened to me multiple times. And each time I've been super satisfied and happy and went on my way, and I don't have to worry about it at all.
Leveraging its vast network of independent contractors, American Home Shield sends qualified professionals to members' homes to diagnose and handle their claims.
How's the communication with the contractor?
Oh, great. They call you, text you, email you, absolutely on the ball about things. Again, set it up when it's convenient for you, showed up when they had said they were going to, and did what they said they were going to do.
If a contractor determines the covered item is not repairable, American Home Shield will replace it.
American Home Shield credits its loyal member base for its growth and success. They're a company you can count on to do what they say they will.
For those out there that are kind of on the fence of whether they should buy an American Home Shield service plan or not, what would you say to them?
I would say absolutely do it. You need this for your home. To have that peace of mind on a month-to-month basis, you have a budget, you have a life, you don't want to worry about these things.
You are preaching to the choir. I am a proud American Home Shield member, and that's why I always recommend it to my clients. I have recommended American Home Shield to my clients for years to give them a peace of mind when it comes to home ownership. Now, it's your turn.
To find out more about the many benefits of a home service plan, visit ahs.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.